lettuce, yes. Yes.
How would you like mini burgers? Just plain, no cheese, no sauce, bun and meat. Yes. And then he's gonna go with the white side, correct?
Yeah.
With corn.